unbox wide and macro lenses. Let's find out what's inside. There is a beautiful Signi black box inside. Now we have opened the box and we can see informative and promotional leaflets inside. There is a sturdy case to hold lenses and a clip. This clip is strong enough to hold the lenses, and further we will attach it to the cell phone. Please subscribe to the channel. Lens is now attached to the clip. The lens is now attached to the phone and ready to take wide and macro pictures. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button.